Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you are safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. This is the grammar lesson for intermediate level. In this lesson, we're going to talk about the modal auxiliary verbs may and might. So let's start. We use may and might for these purposes. Number one, we use may and might to show present or future possibility. So we also use can and could to show present or future possibility, but may and might are stronger than can and could. For example, she may come today. Sarah might not come tomorrow. These two show very strong possibility. Number two, we use them to ask for permission. For example, may I come in? This is a very formal permission. Or, may I see your passport, please? Note, when asking for permission, may is much more common than might. For asking for permissions, we use may more commonly than might. For example, may I come in is more formal than might I come in. Let's do an oral exercise. Change the following sentences to negative. For example, number one, it may rain tonight. The negative is it may not rain tonight or it mayn't rain tonight. Good luck with the rest of them. So let's talk about the answers. Number two, we might succeed this time. We might not or mightn't succeed this time. 3. She may buy a new car next year. She may not or mayn't buy a new car next year. 4. Salim may get a new job in 2021. Salim may not or mayn't get a new job in 2021. 5. The students might join their classes next week. The students might not join their classes next week. And 6. We might invite the Rahimis on Friday. We might not or mightn't invite the Rahimis on Friday. How to make questions with may and might. Remember, questions can start with might, but using may to ask questions for possibility is changed to do you think. If you want to ask a question by using may for possibility, it's better to say do you think. For example, she might come tonight. If you want to change it to questions, because we have might, no need of using do you think. You can simply say, might she come tonight? We might win the final. Might we win the final? But if there is may, then it's better to use do you think at the beginning of the sentence. For example, she may come tonight. In the question, you have to say, do you think she may come tonight? Or we may win the final. Do you think we may win the final? Now let's do one more oral exercise. Here, change the following sentences to questions. For example, Ali might go to Canada next year. So since we have might, there is no need of using do you think. Simply say, might Ali go to Canada next year? Good luck with the rest of them. So let's talk about the answers. Number 2, we may meet you tomorrow. So we have may and we're asking about possibility. So you should say, do you think we may meet you tomorrow? 3, Shapur might be online tonight. So there is might, there is no need of using do you think. Might Shapur be online tonight? 4, Fardeen Safai may give his students a test. Do you think Fardeen Safai may give his students a test? 5, she might be late today. Might she be late today? 6. Ahmad Karimi may join office from next week. We have may, so use do you think. Do you think Ahmad Karimi may join office from next week? And number 7, it might hail in the evening. Might it hail in the evening? This concludes our session for today. Do not forget the exercise that is attached to the same lesson. Remember, this was just a short version of our today's lesson. The same lesson is taught in complete details in our regular classes. Thank you very much for being with us.